Welcome to our channel Planners Way, where we'll discuss today about the project management triangle known as project management constant. In this triangle, we'll cover the three part scope, schedule, and the cost, where we'll discuss about the impact of one side will impact to the another side. Everyone heard about the project management. It's a broad topic and is the process of coordinating the tasks, resource, and goal to deliver the value. In the project management, the project manager divides the project into different phases where first we initiate the project, then we plan it, then we execute it, then we monitor and control it, and finally we close out. Have you even worked on the project where it has gone late and over budget, and how the project manager has managed the triple constant? Let us first introduce you to the project management triangle. So what is project management triangle? So it's the relationship between the scope, schedule, and the cost. And there is simple and thumb rule that if you change one corner, the other corner will be affected. Let's first discuss about the three sides of the triangle. The first side, the budget, and the cost, how much it takes to complete the project for the labor, resource, and material for the project. And the second one is the time, how long it will take to complete the project, to meet the key deadline, key milestone of the project. And third is the scope, like what features will cover, what will be done in the project. So these are the three sides of the triangle. So we need to balance these three sides of the triangle to successfully deliver the project. So we need to balance the triple constant like the project management triangle. So it helps for the project manager to take the decision for the project. Like if we add more features for the project, then we need the more time or more budget to complete it. If we reduce the cost, then we need to cut some scope or extend the timeline. And if we schedule the project, like we need to increase the more resource to complete it. So to successfully deliver the project, we need to maintain the three constant, which helps to deliver the project in more quality and the required performance will be made. Why the triple constant matter for us? It helps the team to set a realistic goal from the start. It prevents the unrealistic promise to the client or stakeholder. Like for example, if we are going to build a house within 2 years and it costs 53K based on the previous experience, and the project manager say that we can complete it within the 1 year with 20K, which is unrealistic for the client and stakeholder. And there should be transparent communication between the trade, like if there is change in scope or if there is change in the timeline or delay, then we need to communicate those things to the stakeholder, and everyone should be aligned that if there is any delay, then we need to get known to our stakeholder so that they will aware of it. To clarify you with an example, so if we are going to build a mobile app, so for initial phase, the client realized that we need the basic features, login, profile, chat, and the designer agreed that we can complete the project in 3 months and with the cost of 50K. Later, in the middle of the project, the client realized that they need to add the video chat or analytic features. Then the designer said that they will complete it in 5 months and the cost will be increased to 70K. This is because a new scope has been added for the project, and if the project manager does not increase the timeline, then the quality or performance may drop. So it's a big challenge to manage the triangle in the project. So first we can manage it by setting the priority earlier. So we need to decide which constant is more flexible. So we need to ask the client so we can move the scope of time, or they are more focused on the cost. Those things we need to decide when the initially. Second, we need to communicate change immediately. Like if the if there is any delay in the project or budget change, then the stakeholders should know about it. And third turn is to monitor the tools. During the planning phase, we plan the project, like what we are going to do in each phase. So we need to track and monitor each. So those things are done by the Gantt chart and or dashboard or planning software. Also, we need to manage the expectation of the client, what we have agreed earlier. So we need to manage those things so that project can complete within the time, budget, and scope. So common mistake the project manager made during their planning phase, like ignoring one side of project. They do not focus only focus on the deadline. They forgot the quality or budget of the project and the scope creep, like adding the new scope in the project without adjusting the time or cost. And another thing, the poor communication, not knowing your team or stakeholder regarding the change or delay in the project, and the lack of documentation. So not formally tracking the change management or the delay in the project. So these are the common mistakes the project manager does during the project execution phase. So from this video, the key takeaway are: the project manager should define the project success. You cannot change the one side without impacting the other. So for the balanced trade-off, there should be realistic and high quality result. And one more thing I want to ask: which side of your triangle is hardest for you to manage during your project while working in the high part of the project? Comment below. We'll discuss in the comment box. We are having the long series of the video related to the project management. So in the next video, we'll discuss our work breakdown structure. Do not forget to like, subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video.